So, these fools did want to fucking pull me up and cause this problem now. Fine. We're gonna call this a beer run and a half. Because this is only half the problem. Anyway, yeah, I've already talked with the police as well. They're already stationed and alert. Meanwhile, I'm going full freaking brigade. I swear I shouldn't be out here with a goddamn flare gun. Anyway. Might as well. There's only a few direct locations. So I don't know if I must be the dark one on this one, but I'm not. So anyway, yeah, there's no tomfoolery behind this. But definitely some fake ass beef going on. So I'm heading up to the next station. There's only literally a handful of people that can drop that name. At this point, I must be trying to get them directly on camera, right? Like, how could these fuckers try to even call me out in the middle of the night like that? 2 vehicles deep, and the cops don't think that's not threatening behavior, my ass. Sorry if I'm ex-fucking mafia, but that's enough to shoot someone in the first place, especially after 3 strikes. They probably would have shot me anyway, anywhere else on earth, but it wouldn't matter anyway if you want to get really esoteric about it. Anyway, kind of got to go half camo. I hate to do this, but that's just what I got to do. Here's the thing, I can see at night, they can't. So, that's the really cool thing. So if I have to, that's the worst. See, this is why I kept saying, maybe I will have to use, I've already got, I will have to use some shrapnel down a tube. With a firecracker. Oh wait, I got gunpowder. I'll show you guys that damn bullet I found. Well, I don't need to shoot that, but I got gunpowder. Do one with the damn match though. Anyway, I hate to say it, I'd rather have a road flare. A flare gun, come out like Darth Maul or something. Right, I'm nearly there. And I'm making good time. It's still quarter till. Afterward is the question. Because what I would love to do is just like, bing, be back. But afterward, as I'm going to continue. That's the whole point. I might actually just have to. Meanwhile, it is a full moon, so it might as well be the second full moon video, right? But I'm letting my viewers know, too, that name is not supposed to be used outside of government goddamn offices at all. And by the way, that first name is, there's no middle name, so add it up. So, in other words, I could have bullshit coming from what the fucker did out here using my name. The guy that was in their jail. The guy that was in their fucking hospital. Meanwhile, it's like I got one hospital in California that I get to go, hey, that's negligence of my medical records. Pre-existing stroke patient and medical marijuana caregiver. That's medical negligence. Done. Right at Dominican Hospital. Once I hit them, then I go, all right, Michigan, it's your choice. Either I was there or I was not. Either way, I win. So you can take a look at my paper trail, or I'm going to sue the shit out of you for grievances as well. And you'll get medical negligence as well. Your judge will probably lose his job too. And then it will be the big O. Zit. Nada. Nic. Z tej strony. Nic. That's like, who lied to my wife? I don't speak Spanish. Trace that information. Right back to it. Do some proper investigation. Don't worry, I've got Interpol involved since like 2015. And the Department of State. And Homeland Security. Sorry, loud traffic. Can you hear me now? Sorry about that. But anyway, neo-fascist fucking social conformist. It's all I have to say. Who gives a damn? Alright. This one I might actually enjoy if I make it home alive. Yeah, I'm looking like you to mock you too. You should see me when I actually wash all the way up. Instead of, walking downtown. Well, I actually didn't actually get a bus, but it's still hot as fuck. Walking all around downtown. Jumping back on a bus. The usual. How's it going tonight? Just so I can dangle. Meanwhile, I gotta get myself just a little bit better. I still can't believe what these fools freaking think. So, it's basically down to that. See, I'm gonna wish I bought 2 of them too after tonight. Fools come in 2 vehicles deep trying to drop a government name that only 3 people on earth know in my situation, and I'm a victim identity fraud. But 2 imposters running around. So who did their digging when the government said don't? All tonight. And everyone was closed. I already talked to the cops. Like, I literally just, I don't know you. I don't know what the hell you're talking about. I'm a YouTuber. So I'm sitting there and I got him calling fucking name drop. I'm like, that ain't my legal name. I think you're confused. For real. 2 freaking, I'm getting 2 of them. Nah, it's too much security. Yeah, I'll get 2. Because I already know how stressed I am after that. Yeah. And plus, I still got a freaking double back, like, camo. Like, who the hell's got fake beef again? People that went digging again, probably. Or it's the same fools. I got a stalker out there. Let me get that other one real quick. People wondered why I was walking around semi-armed. This is a couple of good blades, but I hope I never have to use it because they're actually like really cool. like gold tinted, and I use them for like religious ceremonials, so they're never supposed to have blood on them. So imagine if I split wood and make food. So imagine if I have to taint my blade with blood like that, but it's got 8-karat gold. It's like an alloy. Ain't happening. I hope I never have to. Even the cops said, yeah, they told me to run instead of having to stand my ground. They already know I'm lethal. Should have seen me out here. These kids wanted to play around as on my guitar. They were playing fake fans. They're like, let me see your guitar, let me see your guitar. I'm like, I ain't stupid. They all coming up like this. I'm like, okay, and I pulled a dang string off my guitar, right? And I wrap it around my neck and I say, come and get right out here, boss lady, come out. Anyway, you have a good one. It's a full moon, so watch out. Sure. Shit. So that's about it. That's the truth be told, it's only on me. Oh. Wasn't that funny though? I haven't posted that video yet. Hold on while I look less. Maybe I can just look like this and look like some old crazy dude they don't recognize. No, I don't even have to play these games. That's a damn truth. What happens when I forget my haircut? Two last dreads I gotta pull out because they got twisted into each other. It was one rough month, so I didn't really have enough time to sit there and maintain my damn dreads I had going. This is also why I didn't want to go with 2, because it's a heavy load, but you know, it's like bricks in a purse. I already told the cops if I have to use my beer as a weapon, I will. You have been assaulted by a beer. Still reserved. Very responsible. It's like holding up a Dollar Tree with a can of pork, beef with no beans. Give me all your. It is funny. It's like Hunger Games level funny. I don't know, other than, I mean, I don't want anyone in the crossfire. Anyway, Nostrovian salute. Should be like, who's that next time? Still gonna have to go half the long way. But I got like 7 minutes to get back over there, plus upload the first video, which is crazy at the same time. I can sit over here and take a break after this, a real break. But they might swoop in even closer at that point. I don't think this is one of the breaches ones. Like, even the fucking feds know the name got changed for that very reason. This very reason. I don't know how I'm going to get monetized except for reality TV level. But that's probably about where it's going to go. Not scripted. The only other thing it could be is someone else trying to name drop when they don't realize that I'm legit and shit still hit the fan. And like next time I say it takes me 3 times coming by when I gotta make it by. And then I've got 3 dead days, so I'm looking at that money going, that's breakfast. That ain't drugs to me at that point. That's weed. Like, I don't think that's what's going on either. So that would be the least of my suspects in a row. But it's like getting the right cop on the dial. Plus, it's like there's already a SWAT going on, or a Stingray rather, because there was a delay when I hit the 911. So there's a lot of shit going on already. Well, my usual secure little ninja routes, like I said, are pretty much done for us. I am literally forced to kind of face this in a direct round. So, I don't know. I don't know who the hell has their fake problem, but it needs to be put to a stop now. Unlike your little imposter, I am the real Z. The real Mr. No One. The real blind samurai. So, further ado, I'm still hot as fuck. The power of the dark side.